Hi! We're going to work on our rainbow writing for this week's spelling words, but in a different way today. We're going to use a die to help us decide what color we're going to write our words in. But before we get started on that, I'd like to talk just a minute about paper again. If you're using plain paper, that's great. If you're using this kind of lined paper, that's nice because it has a top line, a dotted line, and a bottom line that helps beginning writers put their letters on the line correctly. If you don't have that and you just have some lined paper at home, I just recommend that you make some what we call guidelines for your students. Blue for the sky, a dotted line in the middle, and a green line for like the bottom or the grass. That helps students know that if a letter's tall, it's going to reach up to the sky. And if it starts in the middle, that's that yellow dotted. All letters need to be grounded on our grass. So that will be helpful. On our website, there is information about how to draw each letter. It'll show you correct letter formation. We like students to start at the top and work their way down for most letters instead of what they seem to naturally want to do, which is the bottom up. So let's get started on our words today. So we're going to do some rainbow writing with our words. This time I thought it'd be fun if we used a die and some colors that are already preset. So last week we talked about the exact colors of the rainbow, or red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I have those crayons here. So this time though, we're going to roll the dice, and instead of the die telling us how many colors we're going to use, we're going to write both our words, or I should say our words, 2 times. But the dice is going to tell us what color we're going to use. So I have all my crayons here ready to go. I'm going to roll first. I rolled a 5, and as you can see here, 5 is blue. So I'm going to take my blue crayon and I'm going to write the first word in blue 2 times. So I'm going to write C-O-T. I'll leave a space and do that again, C-O-T. And I'm done. You can always write it a 3rd time if you'd like. And I'm going to roll again for the next word. Let's see what color I got. This time I got a 6, so 6 is going to be purple. So I'm going to take a purple crayon and do the next word, which is dot, D-O-T, and again, D-O-T. And I will do it one more time just to make sure everybody understands how this works. This time I got a 4, so 4 is going to be green. I'm going to take a green crayon and do the next word, which is got. G-O-T, and again, G-O-T. And you'll just keep going through the rest of your words like that. Don't forget to include those sight words that are usually at the bottom of our word list. This week it's in, is, and in. So I hope you have fun doing a different type of rainbow writing this week.